Good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. So today I'm actually going to be making a trade on how to trade the Asia key zone. So last week I actually made a video giving out the zones, the timing to trade the Asia key zone. So today I'm going to be making a practical view of how you should trade the Asia session. All right, so now first and foremost, if you want to trade any session, right, the first thing you need to put into consideration is your the first thing you need to put into consideration is your market structure. After you have considered your market structure, you consider your liquidity, right? You consider your liquidity. After your liquidity comes your key zone, right? Your key zone. Now, looking at this market now, right? Looking at this market, let's go on my 15-minute time frame. So 15-minute time frame now, you can see that I have a break in market structure. Okay, I have a break in market structure here, right? So the break of market structure was actually with a wick, which shows liquidity graph. So that's why I took this trade. So I'm taking this trade now. Now if you look at the time that I've taken the trade, right? If you look at the time I've taken the trade, so this is 1:30 a.m., which is 2:30 Nigeria time, right? Which is 2:30 Nigeria time. So which is also part of our Asian session. So now that is one thing with Asia. Now for the Asian key zone now, you have from 2 to 4 a.m. Nigerian time. So now which is plus GMT plus 1. Now so you for the webinar you convert it back to your time zone, right? Convert it back to your time zone. So that is it. So once you have a breaking market structure, right? So you look out for them to take out the liquidity. So from the liquidity now, right, you can frame your setup, right? You can frame your setup. Now in this situation, this buy now might be coming to this sell might be coming to an end, right? And be looking for towards the buy side because already they have taken out the liquidity on the left hand side. So the sell might be coming to an end and we can have their buy. But I'm just waiting for this current 5-minute candle close to make the decision. Right. Now for the session, right? Now I've given 3 things to look out for before you can take a trade, right? So you consider your structure, right? So on our 15-minute time frame now you can see that we had a break in market structure. Now this break in market structure was not with a candle close, so I know it's a liquidity grab. So with the step that I'm taking now, I'm not looking to take it too long because as a matter of fact, liquidity is all that moves the market. So once you understand your liquidity, it gives you an edge already on what you should be looking at for. It gives you an edge of what you should be looking at for. So once you are taking the trade, even on 1 hour time frame, now you can see that we are on a downtrend, but the downtrend is yet to fully start as there is no confirmation yet for the downtrend. So consider those things in taking your trade. Okay. So let me know in the comment section if you want me to talk about anything else, right? Or anything you want me to talk about. If you still need more insight on this Asia key zone, so watch out for the London key zone too. I'm actually going to be taking the key zone be talking about, making videos about the whole 3 sessions that we have, so that for those who their work schedule does not favor the London session, you can train yourself and be looking for an Asian session key zone. Right, you can be looking for trade in the Asian session, and if the Asian session too is not favorable for you, then you can look out for trade in the New York session. Right, a practical example of the New York session is actually what happened with this trade that we have here. This buy here, right, this buy, that was another example of the New York key zone. So comment in the comment section if you want me to make videos on those sessions. Rightly comment in the comment section. So that is your Asian session key zone. Now remember what I said, you need basically 3 things. Your what? Your market structure. After your market structure comes your liquidity. Then after your liquidity comes your what? Your session. Right. So once you can be able to integrate these 3 things in your trading, obviously you are going to be having a what? A high profitable setup. Now having those 3 things now comes to the what? The psychology behind it, right? The risk management. With those tools that you have now, a major tool that you need to add to your trading tool is your what? Your risk management. It's only the person who is alive that can what? That can take another trade. Or the person who is alive that can eat. So your mental health is very, very important. It's very, very important in the sense that it's only when you have money in your accounts that you can what? You can take a trade. So don't over leverage your accounts. Don't over leverage your accounts. And once you enter it, like my boss will say, if you cannot see it in insight, you can never see it in what? In foresight. So take your time and what? And understand the kind of person you are, understand your personality. Your kind of personality that you have will determine the kind of trader you will be. Will determine the kind of trader who you will be. Right. So those things plays a lot of roles in framing your setup. So meanwhile, if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do well to hit on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you stay updated each time I'm dropping a new content. And if there's anything you want me to talk about, please do well comment in the comment section. I will be seeing you guys later. Meanwhile, let me just see what we have there. Okay. Okay. I'm actually looking out for something here that once that is done, so I might be risking going back to my entry. Right, I might be risking going back to my entry. Right, I might be risking it all back to my entry before I would actually close and be looking for a buy setup. But I'm actually looking out for this zone here. Looking out for this zone here to be mitigated. So it's a very hard risk that I'm taking. It's a very hard risk that I'm taking. Anything that makes them to go beyond this zone here, I would be looking to assist my position and be looking for a setup that would do right. Because they're taking months, the reversal is taking longer than expected. So I wait for what? For a confirmation entry. And so I wait for what? A confirmative entry already. So guys, please do well to comment, like and share to others so that they can what? They can also benefit from they can also benefit. Right. So if you want me to talk about the London key zone and the New York key zone, please do well to comment in the comment section. I will definitely reply and get back to you. So see you guys.